Type hints in namedtuple. Consider following piece of code. The code above is just a way to demonstrate as to what I am trying to achieve. I would like to make namedtuple with type hints. Do you know any elegant way how to achieve result as intended?
The preferred syntax for a typed named tuple since 3.6 is edit starting Python 3.7. Consider using data classes. Your IDE may not yet support them for static type checking.
You can use typing.namedtuple from the docs. Typed version of namedtuple. This is present only in Python 3.5 onwards.
Just to be fair, namedtuple from typing. Equals to classic namedtuple. So, namedtuple is just syntax sugar for namedtuple. Below, you can find a creating namedtuple function from the source code of Python 3.10. As we can see, it uses collections.namedtuple constructor and adds _annotations_ from extracted types.